Oh, baby, we are living in interesting times. So, sometime last week, I had said or predicted that we would close out the week probably at the same point that we opened the week. There's a bit of egg on my face, eh? But a good lesson, a good learning lesson. Because I had that speculation, I didn't trade on that speculation. I only traded on what the market presented me. So I had the opportunity to participate in some of the move down. Obviously, we opened up down on Friday, but I caught a couple of trades and made a few bucks. Didn't get too hurt based on my bias or speculation. But I moved based on good setups and sticking to my rules. So a lesson for everybody. And you'll see I'll do that time and time again. I'll make, have some sort of speculation and I'll be wrong. But, I've done that enough to know that you don't trade on that. You don't trade on what you feel or think. You trade on your rules and you trade on market setup and things of that nature. And investing, obviously, you have different rules and fundamental guidelines and things like that. So the market is down rather aggressively, as you're all aware, because I'm sure everybody clicked on CNBC when they woke up this morning. And let's just jump over. Are we on? No, we're not. Here's ES. I'm just going to do a quickie. I got a ton of shit going on. We opened up again down. We're coming off of the lows of the day. We're actually around the lows of the down run. So we're testing the 52-week lows, I guess. And it looks like that's working as a resistance right now. And that would be the low of 523, and that low is 908. Oh man, we're what? I was on the wrong one. Well, yeah, let's just be wise and expand that right there. 809. So yeah, it looks like it might be working as a support right now. That could be a reverse micro trend and a move down. Big fears and yield curve inverted in the morning for a short period of time, floated back. So could be emotion and reactionary. I'm kind of watching to see if we turn around and close that gap today. It's not impossible, but that usually makes me leery because the way the market has been behaving is we turn around, close the gap, and then we tank even further. If we come down and leave that gap open, then I know we have something over there attracting this market back up. But we're just going to have to watch it. Everybody knows we got the Fed on Friday, and then the minutes or the meeting the following day. I think we're looking at 50 basis points. Everybody thinks we're looking at 50 basis points. This is a reaction to inflation coming in hot that we haven't seen peak yet. These are May numbers. I don't know. I'm seeing things roll off and turn around, and numbers should turn around. Recession, not a terrible thing. Everybody's got in the back of their mind the financial debacle of 07. Recession. I mean, we've had short recessions, and rolled right out of them. Or I've seen Europe and Japan go into recession, us slow down a little bit, Europe and Japan come out, and with their buying, we just end up taking off again. So I don't know if I'm buying into the recession fear analogy or scenario. So, but I guess I'm an optimist. So that's what I'm looking at. And what do we got? Looking at the interest rates, crazy divergence. I mean, we're peaking. I don't know. This feels a little emotional to me. And I hate making these predictions because just like last week, bam, a little mud on my face. But this feels a little emotional to me. So that's it, man. We're just going to watch it. We're going to watch it right now. These rough times. As far as your investments go, don't bet against the U.S., man. You see things you like that are cheap, that make money, and you can count on them. Buy it. All right. That being said, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Appreciated everybody coming in. Good luck with your trades. Where's my